Hi, Shell.
Oh.
Oh, her belly's gonna be cold.
Come on. Okay, there we go.
Oh, I don't know if I can do this because you're gonna run into me. It doesn't really work.
What do you want to do? I don't want snow on my glove.
How much time do you have on
I
that?
don't know. I'm limited.
Shell, you want to get in the sled?
Want to go on the sled, Shell?
Ooh.
You want to go on the sled? Alright, we'll do one more on your belly, okay?
Say hi!
Oh, you can't get up doing that. What are you doing? You can't just stand up. That's dangerous. This is snowball.
Shelly!
Go see Mama. Bring that to Mama.
Uh-oh, you dropped some of it. Oof. Why is her belly all red?
No, why would it belly be red?
Because she fell off the sled a few times.
Oh, it's a little wet down there.
Is that gonna go on my knee? I take it. Oh, oh. Shell. You want some help? Shell, you want to go on there again? You want a sled?